before we will see the concept of what is meant by gradient and what will be the important parameters for that gradient, as well as we have to be see the what will be our divergence and what will be the divergence theorem. Now let's move on to the another concept, that will be the curl. This curl also be very important. Okay, the definition for the curl be the, it is the represented as the amount of circulation over a given area. Okay, how much the circulation will be there of a given point or the given area, then that circulation is said to be the curl. Okay, a simple example of a curl, for example, if you throw a stone into the water, okay, whenever you have to be throwing stone into a water, it will just create some type of disturbances, right? That disturbance is said to be the, simply in our EMTL language, that's said to be the curl. Okay, one more simple example. If you want to take your bucket of water, what you have to do means, you have to be just put your hand into the bucket of water and just you have to be just squirrel it like this. Okay, what will happen? This be your point. Whenever you have to be squirrel it, the water will get disturbed and it will be formed like this, right? That disturbance is said to be the curl. Okay, in this, curl is operated on the vector, input be the vector, and as well as in whatever the output you are getting, that is also be the vector. That means here input be the vector and your output also be the vector. This thing is very important. Okay, this point is very important. So my curl can be represented with cross. This cross represents the curl. Okay, here what will happen to the Cartesian coordinate system or the rectangular coordinate system? This be the ax bar, this be the ay bar, and this be the az bar. So this be the dou by dou x, dou by dou y, this be the dou by dou z. This be the vx, vy, and vz. Okay, now what you have to do, you just have to apply your matrix form, right? This be the plus, this be the plus, this be the minus, this be the plus. If you want to take ax bar, if you just close it, whatever the remaining terms you have to be right. So here, if you want to take dou by dou x into vy minus dou vx divided by dou y, so this be the ax bar minus, so here if you want to take the middle term, middle and up get closed, minus dou vz divided by dou x minus dou vx divided by dou z, so this be the ay bar plus this be the dou by dou vy divided by dou x minus dou vx divided by dou y, so this be the ax bar. Okay, this be your curl for an Cartesian coordinate system. What will happen if you want to apply for the cylindrical coordinate system? So I just want to rub it. Cylindrical coordinate system. Okay, what will happen to the differential length for the cylindrical coordinate system? The differential length dl bar, that be equal to d rho a rho bar plus rho d5 a5 bar plus dz az bar. So this be our differential length. What will happen to the curl for the cylindrical coordinate system? Del cross v bar, that be equal to, this be the a rho bar, rho a phi bar plus az bar. Okay, so this be the dou by dou rho, dou by dou phi, dou by dou z. So this be the v rho, v5, and as well as this be the vz. So this be the 1 divided by rho. Okay, this be for this cylindrical coordinate system. What will happen to the spherical coordinate system? For spherical coordinate system, so dl bar, that be equal to, what will be the range of parameters? R, theta, comma, phi, right? So der plus r d5 dr ar bar plus r d theta a theta bar plus r sin theta d 5 a phi bar. Okay, what will happen to the curl for this spherical coordinate system? Del cross v bar, that be equal to, so here modulus of so here you can see r into r, that will be the r square sin theta, 1 divided by r square sin theta. Here ar bar, a theta bar, so this be the r ar bar, a theta bar, this be the r sin theta a phi bar. Okay, so this will become the dou by dou r, dou by dou r, dou by dou theta, dou by dou phi. So this be the vr, v theta, and as well as then v phi. This be our spherical coordinate system for the curl. Okay, now one more important thing we have to be do, that be the, so if curl of a vector be the 0, what will happen? So if curl of a vector be the 0, if curl of a vector be the 0, then it is said to be the conservative or irrotational. Conservative or irrotational. Conservative or irrotational. Okay, so here what I have to do means, I will be telling the one example for the squirrel. You just have to take the bucket of water, you just have to put your hand in there, you just have to just squirrel it. What will happen? Some disturbances will be happen, right? Similarly, if you want to take this be your point P, okay, I will be taken my arrows be in the anti-clockwise direction. Whenever my arrow be in the anti-clockwise direction, okay, then del cross v bar, that be the positive. So here this be in the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Okay, what I have to do means, here you can observe in your right hand rule, you just have to put your right hand rule, whatever Here I will be taken my this right hand rule, this be the, here you can see my point P, that's be writing, that's be towards you, right? My thumb be towards you, just like this. Okay, so for example, what will happen if it will be move in the clockwise direction? My point P is moving in the clockwise direction. I will be just do it like this. What will happen to the thumb? My thumb be in the inside the board, right? My thumb be in the, if I put the right hand rule, my thumb be in the inside the board. So that's why del cross V bar that be equal to negative. Okay, so if I want to take the point P, so here del cross V bar that be equal to 0. Del cross V bar that be equal to 0. There will be no curl be present. So whenever this del cross V bar that be equal to 0, then that will be said to be the irrotational or conservative. This conservative, what will happen to the what will be the conservative and what will be the irrotational, they will be asked in our competitive examination point of view. Okay, this be the concept for the curl. Okay, now another important form, another important theorem also be present in this curl, that be the Stokes theorem. In this divergence theorem be present, that be the closed surface that will be equal to the volume, right? Here what will happen to the Stokes theorem, you can see. So write Stokes theorem. It states that circulation of vector field in a closed path is equal to surface integral of the curl of that vector, bounded by the closed loop, So what will be your formula? Closed integration of L a bar dot dl bar that be equal to surface of del cross a bar into ds bar. Okay, this be our formula. Okay, here you can see, observe this question also they will be asked in the competitive examination point of view. Okay, in the online examinations this formula is very important. Okay, it states that circulation of a vector field in a closed path means what I will tell you, that will be represented with the bubble, okay, or the circle. Closed path is equal to the surface integral of the curl, that will be equal to the surface means that will be represented with integration in the below, that be the s. Okay, surface integral of the curl. Curl means del cross A bar. This represents in curl. This represents in curl of the surface, that be the ds bar. Curl of that vector bounded by the closed loop. So here this formula is very important. Closed line, okay, closed line A bar dot dl bar, that will be equal to the integration of surface curl del cross A bar into ds bar, that be the Stokes theorem. The Stokes theorem is very important. Okay, in the next class we will try to see what will be the Laplacian. That Laplacian be the so simple concept only. Okay, that formulas is very important. Laplacian formulas be very important. Okay, thank you.